Welcome to Hildestone College's quick lesson series where our teachers give you some English language tips.
Hello again, welcome back to Quick Lessons. Today we're going to look at the words yet and already. Let's start with yet. Now we use yet to show that something has not happened, but we do expect it to. So you can see in the example sentence, I haven't finished my homework yet. I am making it clear that it is my intention to do my homework. I just haven't finished it. I will soon. We can also use yet in questions if we want to find out whether something that we expect to happen has happened. So we might ask a friend, for example, has he called you yet? So, to summarise, we use yet in questions and negative sentences, and you put the word yet at the end. Let's move on to already now, and pay attention because this is used in a slightly different way. Of course the meaning is different, but also where it goes in a sentence is different. So, with the meaning, first of all, we use already to show that an action is complete. So you can say things like, I've already done my homework, I'm finished. He's already seen that film, so he doesn't want to watch it again. She already knows the answer, she's so clever. So you can see, looking at those sentences, already goes before the main verb. So, in the first sentence, I've already done my homework, you've got have done. Have is a helping verb, an auxiliary verb. Done is the main verb and already goes before the main verb. It's the same in the second sentence. He has already seen that film. You can see already comes after the auxiliary verb before the main verb. And then in the last one, she already knows the answer. The only verb there is knows. It's the present simple. So there's only one part to the verb. And again, already goes before the main verb, so before the knows. Now, there is an exception. I'm sorry about that, but it's the way English is. If we use the verb be, then already follows it. And actually, that's quite normal with the verb be. I know it's an exception to the rule, but to be usually works this way. So you would say things like, oh no, I'm already late. And you can see there, the already is after the am, after the part of the verb to be. Now we don't often use already with the past simple, but you might see it with the verbs be, have and know. And here are some examples for you. He already knew he would lose the game. She already had the advantage and was already ahead. So there you can see we've got verbs in the past simple and we are using already with them, but that is a bit of an exception. We don't usually use already in negative sentences. It's hard in English to say never, which is why I've said not usually, and then I've got an exception for you. If you have an if sentence, it is possible to use already. So for example, do it now if you haven't already done it. You could also say do it now if you haven't done it yet. That would mean the same. But when you're listening to people speaking English, it's possible that you'll hear both. Okay, so that's a slight exception to the rule. Normally, it will sound a little bit strange if you use already in a negative sentence. Okay, good. Well done. Good luck with your English, and I'll speak to you again soon in another quick lesson. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. That's it for this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.